board. So how you feel? Do you feel like in the future?
Not yet.
Not yet. Perfect. So I almost do. And what we are doing here is that we would like to show you how the kids can change the world and what tools we are using to actually learn them think out of the box and all this stuff. My name is Pavel König and I founded NVIDIA's organization to inspire kids and actually to help transform the new generation from consumers to creators.
I'm Shimon and I'm 10. I'm Kuba. I am 8. I am Stepan. I am 8.
Perfect. Okay. So, and where do you study?
I'm studying in first basic school in Pilsen. Me too. Me too. I like Minecraft because you can build whatever I want.
I like Minecraft because I can kill zombies.
I like Minecraft. I am house car.
So you are building house and cars, yeah. Okay. So and if you like Minecraft, is there something you don't like in Minecraft?
Yeah. I don't like Minecraft because there are zombies, monsters, and TNTs. Me too.
Okay. Me too.
This is massive meal production. This is main hall and this is production hall.
You can buy hamburger.
Okay, perfect. And how it's activated?
The train activate command block and spawn a pig. A pig is baked in lava. This is storage.
Okay, so you have your own storage for the meal.
Yes.
Also connected by trains. Perfect.
Yes.
I'm Robert and I'm 10. I'm studying 7 elementary school in Pilsen. Minecraft is creative game. I can build the same things on the reality. I don't like Minecraft monsters, lava and TNT because they destructive. He is production line.
And what are you producing?
My producing doors in my factory.
From which material?
From material wood. He is control center and command blocks line.
So all these command blocks is powering your production line.
Yes.
Perfect. So thank you, and it was the last year, the new challenge. So welcome this young guy. Also the question for you: what's your name and how old are you?
I'm your son, so you don't know my name. I'm my age, or.
Yeah.
But for you guys, I'm Daniel. I'm 12 years old, and I will introduce you this Minecraft and LittleBits. It can be turned on by the lever in Minecraft or by the cloud bit in this world. So, can you please activate it?
Yeah. Okay. So I'm moving it to on.
And if it's turned on, the pistons send the block near the comparator and it will send the signal to the pistons and they start moving. And the train is also start moving and if it hits this pressure plate, it will send the signal to the LittleBits.
Once more, guys, come here on the stage. So, thank you and goodbye, Future Port.